Okay, we're at the Ritz Carlton in Santa Barbara, California. This is the 1-bedroom king suite with balcony and garden view. So you walk in, and to the right over here you have the guest bathroom, which is actually pretty big, and you have a walk-in shower over here. Toilet on the other side. Robe hanging, nice mirrors and sink. You walk over here, you have your first closet space, another row, place to put your luggage. And as we walk in this way, you have your living room. It does have a pull-out sofa bed, so another 2 people can sleep there if you have kids or if you have a friend with you. 2 chairs over there, a nice fireplace. In your living room, you also have the mini bar. You have a flat screen TV over here, and you have your balcony. It's a pretty big balcony too, where you have your 2 chairs. You overlook the garden. The pool is down there. I don't know if you can see it. You can see the beach a little bit. Okay, and as we walk back to the living room, we walk into the bedroom. There's a sink right here, a mirror. And here you walk into the bedroom that has a nice king-size bed over there. It's a very spacious room. Over here you have a desk area right next to your bed. You have a lounge chair over there with the footrest. And you have another balcony out the master bedroom. A nice sized balcony again, really big balcony. This overlooks just a little garden right here, some trees. And as you walk back in through the bedroom, you go to your right. When you go to your right, you have another bathroom. So you have 1 sink over there for the bathroom. The other sink is over here. You have a nice walk-in shower over here. That one's bigger than the other one. This one's really big. You have a tub right here. You can see through to the bedroom from your tub. You could close that if you want to have some privacy. You have your toilet room over there. And as you walk over here, you have another closet, which is your main closet, where you have your shelving, your safe to put your expensive belongings, another robe over here. And again, we're at the Ritz Carlton in Santa Barbara. This is the king suite with balcony garden view. It's the 1-bedroom king suite. Again, it's actually really, really big. You can have a party in here if you wanted to. So, all right, hope you guys enjoy. See you at the next one.